In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create salary statements in Microsoft Excel. We'll start by opening your Excel workbook. Once you're inside the sheet, prepare your sample data first. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through B10. Setting up your information clearly at the beginning makes the rest of the process much easier because your formulas will reference these exact cells. Next, we'll calculate the total earnings. Click on cell B6, then type an equal sign followed by the word sum, an opening parenthesis, the range B3 through B5, and then a closing parenthesis. After that, press enter. Excel will instantly calculate the employee's total earnings for you. This works because the sum function adds together all the values in that selected range, which is a quick and reliable way to total salary components. After that, calculate the total deductions. Click on cell B9, then type an equal sign, SUM, an opening parenthesis, the range B7 through B8, and a closing parenthesis. Press enter and Excel will calculate the total deductions. This step helps separate the amounts that need to be subtracted from earnings, keeping the salary statement organized and easy to understand. Now let's calculate the net salary. Click on cell B10, then type an equal sign followed by B6, then a minus sign, and then B9. Press enter. Excel will subtract the total deductions from the total earnings and display the employee's net salary. This is the final amount after deductions, so it's one of the most important values on the sheet. Once the calculations are complete, format the salary statement to make it easier to read. Bold the section totals and the net salary row so they stand out clearly. Add borders and adjust the column widths to improve readability and give the worksheet a cleaner layout. Then apply either the currency or accounting number format to the amount column, so all figures appear in a consistent money format. If you'd like, you can also add a title such as salary statement at the top of the worksheet for a more polished presentation. Now review the results. Your salary statement should clearly display total earnings, total deductions, and the final net salary for the selected pay period. If you want to modify the statement later, you can include extra employee details such as employee ID, department, position, pay period, or payment date. You can also add more earnings like bonus, commission, or overtime, and then update the sum formula. The same applies to deductions. Just insert additional deduction rows and revise the formula range accordingly. And that's it.